Real talk. How often do you pay for an AI tool that underdelivers? It's a frustrating cycle. You subscribe, get excited, then silence. I've been there, but I changed my game. I tracked if my tools actually saved me time or made me money. The results? Eye-opening. Today I'm sharing 5 AI tools that truly work, ranked from worth it to the ultimate tool that you can't live without. No fluff, just real numbers. Let's dive in. I evaluated these tools based on 3 criteria. First, time saved. Does it cut your task down significantly? An hour saved each week can mean big bucks. Second, money made or replaced. Can it do a task that normally costs you? Lastly, ease of use. If it's complicated, it's not worth it. Let's explore the winners. At number 5 is Otter.ai. Sure, it sounds boring, but it will change how you handle meetings. It transcribes your calls in real time and identifies action items. My 45-minute summaries are now just 4 minutes. That's 6 hours saved a month. If you're in frequent meetings, it pays for itself quickly. Next is Leonardo.ai at number 4. This tool is perfect for content creators. It generates stunning images in a fraction of the time. I created 30 days of visuals in 1 afternoon. If you'd hire a designer, this tool saves you serious cash. Coming in at 3 is Claude.ai. Forget just asking ChatGPT for everything. Claude excels at long-form content and deep research. I turned a $600 copywriting project into a simple task. It's ideal for serious writers who need quality. Descript takes the second spot. If you create videos, stop everything. It edits by manipulating the transcript instead of the timeline. A 15-minute video editing time shrank to just 45 minutes for me. That's powerful. Plus, it enables you to produce content at lightning speed. Finally, let's talk about the number 1 tool, ChatGPT Plus. Picture this. A friend went from spending $600 a month on virtual assistant help to just $20. It handles writing, data analysis, and so much more. It's the most adaptable tool out there. If you buy just 1 AI subscription, make it this one. Now, let's save you some money. I cancelled Jasper AI after realizing it was overpriced for what it offers. I found it didn't deliver enough value compared to ChatGPT. I also dropped Synthesia. Audiences want authentic content, not lifeless avatars. To keep your costs under $50 monthly, I suggest starting with ChatGPT Plus. Master it before adding anything else. If you have meetings, try the free version of Otter.ai first. And don't forget Descript if you're a video creator. If this resonated, subscribe. Next week, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a month's worth of social media content quickly. And if you're using any of these tools, drop a comment. I'm eager to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.